In today's video, I will teach you how to add or reduce haze in Lightroom. Let's get started. The Dehaze tool in Lightroom is a powerful feature for adding or reducing atmospheric haze in your photos. It can help enhance clarity in landscapes or create a dreamy, misty effect when needed. And to add or reduce haze in Lightroom, first launch Lightroom and navigate to the Develop module. Then choose the photo that you want to edit by selecting it from the library or directly in the Develop module. The Dehaze slider is under the Effects section. And to reduce the haze, simply move the slider to the right, which increases the clarity and removes the haze from the image, making it sharper and more detailed. This is best for landscape photos with fog or mist. And to add haze, you can move the slider to the left, which introduces a hazy and dreamy effect, softening the image. This is useful for creating atmospheric photos or enhancing the mood. And here are some tips for using the Dehaze tool. First is be moderate. Overusing the Dehaze tool can result in unnatural-looking images. Excessive dehazing can introduce noise, especially in shadows, while too much haze can make the image appear washed out. The second tip is combining with other adjustments. After adjusting the haze, you can fine-tune your image with other tools like contrast, clarity, and exposure to achieve the desired look. And you can use the tone curve for more detailed adjustments to contrast and tonal balance. The third tip is selective dehazing. For more control, you can use the masking tools like brush, gradient, or radial filters to apply the dehaze adjustments to specific parts of the image. This is helpful for enhancing just the sky or foreground selectively. And the fourth tip is using Dehaze presets. Lightroom offers presets that include dehaze adjustments. These can be a quick starting point for your edits. The Dehaze tool in Lightroom is versatile for both enhancing and creating atmospheric effects in your photos. Whether you're aiming to clarify a landscape or add a soft, dreamy mood, mastering the Dehaze slider can significantly elevate the quality and creativity of your images. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.